is Malcolm Duffin. I'm a printmaker based in Salford in the United Kingdom. Salford is on the edge of the moors where the Brontes live, so it's a landscape that not only am I familiar with, I've lived with all my life. So Brontë has a resonance in my work, whether I like it or not, and not more so than last summer, where I'm now in my studio space, which is in a cellar, and at the height of lockdown, this was really my world. I couldn't leave it, and I really wanted to be outside. I wanted to make art outside, and reading Anne's poem, Lines Composed in a Wood on a Windy Day, it really resonated with me. She's longing to be elsewhere, and me, like millions and millions of people across the world, underneath the yoke of the COVID virus, we just want it to be free again. So I use that as a starting point for my work, which is called Act On. Act On comprises of 3 small plates. The colours used are from the very much a 19th century palette to kind of reflect the sensibility of Anne's world. And then surrounding it on the paper is a blind emboss of elements that were sent to me, because it was the only way I could get them, from places where Anne had lived and grown up. So from Haworth, from Scarborough, people would send me leaves, feathers, soil samples, which I mixed into the inks and the carborundum to make a piece that, as you can see, it is moorland and forest and sea, places that were important to Anne, but important to all of us in our kind of yearning for a new world beyond COVID, and a world where there was hope. So by getting these people to submit and take part in the creation of the artwork, it was an act of resistance and very much made some of the free spirit sensibilities of Anne Brontë as relevant today as they always were. So I hope you enjoy my work.